Hey, my name's Cody, avid outdoorsman, love being outside, love my big, huge camp trailer. This camera is an absolute game changer. Super easy install. I don't know if you guys can see it here on the back. As far as with us installing it, it maybe took us 30 minutes to be able to get that camera all the way in. It configures with my truck perfectly. You can see exactly what's going on in the front. It makes life easier. We just took it around the block and around the neighborhood, down through some of the busier streets as well. Being able to merge, that was one of the biggest things that I was super impressed with, was as we were coming in, there's a merging lane and all of a sudden I need to turn right. I would have never in a million years without this camera felt comfortable making that right-hand merge as quick as I did, but I was able to see all the way back into that merging lane, saw that there was a car, but it was back far enough that I would make it, and was able to make that merge super easy. Same thing with making some of these tight turns and just getting around tighter areas, and even backing my trailer into my parking spots now. I can see exactly where I'm going, my destination point, make sure that it's clear. Being a firefighter paramedic, safety is huge for me, and that was a huge selling point with this product, is being able to see where I'm backing, that safety that it provides to me, my family, my neighbors, people that I camp with, people that we hang out with, being able to see where you're backing and where you're going.